spectacle au Club Plastique à Brossard. Une grosse soirée présentée par VIPstyle.ca, animée par Malik Shahid. Il est avec Mathieu Marcotte. Voici George.
Merci beaucoup, Isabelle. George, it's kind of crazy. Like last time you were here, you were just starting. Everything was just going underway, and now your album's out. Everything's great. How you doing
it's going. I'm so great. I'm in Montreal. It's great. I mean, the weather's beautiful. The women are beautiful, and I'm having a lot of fun. So it's great.
Yeah, actually, I have to agree with you. Today it was pretty sunny outside. The ladies are pretty lovely in Montreal today. What happened since the last time you were here? The album went out. It got out.
Yeah, you know, I mean, things been going really good. I actually been on tour. I was opening for Eva, and I've been all across Canada. And I was in LA. I sang for Babyface, and right now we're just getting ready to go to Japan. And you know, we're trying to make it international. So I'm really, really excited.
So everything is pretty good right now.
Oh, it's going great. Things are going incredible. I actually have a show tomorrow at Club Plastique. I'm really excited about, and yeah, things are going well.
Yeah, it should be a great party tomorrow, hosted by our very own Malik Shahid. It should be.
Yeah, thank you to him. So
should be great. I was speaking of. You said touring with Eva. You toured with Eva Avila. How was that? Was the opening for Eva? Was that?
You know what? It was incredible. There are some places in Canada where the response wasn't that great, and there are some places where the response was incredible. You know, and it was just so great to just be in front of an audience, a beautiful theater, and just to dance and then play my instruments, guitar and piano, and kind of showcase myself. So it was really an incredible experience. So.
And when you go to a place where you say it doesn't go that well, it's not the reaction's not that great. Is that like a challenge for you, just to go back there and have fun?
You know what? I think
gain those people over.
Yeah, I think it's about, you know, showcasing yourself. I think it's about, you know, realizing that it's a blessing to do what I'm doing, you know, and get to see all parts of the world and just, you know, meet the people. And I think that's what's important, you know, and you just gotta go out there and you gotta do your best, and that's all you can expect is your best, you know. That's all you can do.
Good. Alors, George, qui est très content d'être à Montréal aujourd'hui, il dit, il fait très, très beau. Les femmes sont belles à Montréal. On est très contents d'être ici. Ouais, les filles, je pense qu'ils ont apprécié le commentaire. Et ça va très bien pour lui. La dernière fois qu'il était avec nous, ça commençait, ces trucs. Maintenant, ça va très bien. L'album est sorti. Très grande réaction. Il a fait la tournée avec Eva Avila. Il a dit, ça a très bien été. Il y a des parties du Canada où c'était un petit peu mieux. Des parties du Canada où c'était un petit peu moins bien. Il dit, ces parties-là, ces places-là, on va y retourner puis on va essayer d'avoir plus de plaisir. Demain soir, on rappelle au Club Plastique à Brossard. C'est un spectacle qui est animé, présenté par VIP Style, mais animé par Malik Shahid. Donc, il dit merci beaucoup à ces gens-là de nous aider. Et demain, donc, c'est avec George, gros party demain. So, gonna be lots of dancing tomorrow, club show.
A lot of dancing and a lot of, you know, performing and stuff like that. I'm really excited. So.
And you were mentioning while we were at the commercial, you might take your shirt off. So that
it depends on the reaction of the crowd, but it's a theme of my shows lately, so it's pretty fun.
Okay, so we're gonna say if the ladies, he might take his shirt off. So.
If they scream really loud.
Okay. Va peut-être enlever son chandail demain. Il va y avoir beaucoup de danse dans le club, mais il dit peut-être. On sait jamais. Ça dépend de la réaction. Donc, soyez là demain si vous voulez avoir plus de détails sur ce qui s'est passé au spectacle de George. You were mentioning, because I know you're allotted to fashion. You were mentioning that you just got some shoes today.
I did.
You're in Montreal.
These are some new shoes that I got. So I mean, I just, you know, I'm feeling really cool walking around in these. Just doing my thing, you know.
Just busting the moves.
Just trying to, you know, do my thing. So
excellent. But how do you feel about, let's say, fashion compared to music? Is that really an important part of what George is about?
Yeah, I think it's huge. I mean, you know, a lot of this entertainment industry is about your image. And so for me, I love clothes. I love, you know, feeling cool. And I love, you know, waking up in the morning and just, you know, deciding what look you want. You know, it's a big part of it. So.
And is it important when you go on stage what you're wearing? It must be pretty important.
Very important. Yeah, very important. Yeah.
Excellent. Who do you look up to as let's say, a fashion
I look up to idol? Usher.
Usher?
Usher is incredible. I think Usher's incredible. I think Prince is incredible. You know, I love Alicia Keys, and I love artists. You know, I think that, you know, music and, you know, art is such a powerful thing when you put your heart into it, and so I respect artists to do that. So.
Great. Alors, on parle de mode aujourd'hui parce que George s'est procuré des souliers aujourd'hui à Montréal. Il est très content de les avoir. Il dit, ils vont bien pour bouger. Il nous a montré un peu ses talents de danseur rapidement. Il dit, pour moi, la mode, c'est important parce que c'est ma personnalité. J'essaie de m'exprimer à travers ça. Ils ont parlé de Usher, Alicia Keys, Prince, plusieurs artistes qui l'influencent beaucoup pour la mode et pour la musique. Donc, il dit que c'est des choses qui vont ensemble et c'est pas vraiment séparé. Donc, il est content de pouvoir faire ça à travers sa musique et quand il va sur la scène, et c'est très important, le look pour George. Et justement, ça fait partie de sa musique.